My dear children, in this module we are going to discuss about the storage of mobile systems. A phone's memory. It includes RAM and ROM. RAM equals the memory of a computer. What is the use of a RAM? A random access memory. It is used only for processing. The contents in the RAM is frequently changing depending upon the processing it doing. While ROM is the device internal storage equaling the hard disk of a computer. The RAM equals to the memory of a computer, whereas ROM is the device internal storage, that is equaling the hard disk of a computer. The bigger the RAM, the more software the phone runs smoothly, while bigger the ROM, the more platform data it can store. That is, it is very similar to the computer memory. If we are having more space in RAM, more number of softwares can run simultaneously. That is, if you opened 10 Word files or 10 Excel files or both, that if you are opened applications like Word, Excel, microprocessor, that is web browser and a calculator and a music player, you can simultaneously play all these things. If the bigger RAM, bigger in the sense the size of the RAM, that is the memory storage size of the RAM is increasing, then we can do multiple programs simultaneously. That is called multiprocessing. Then if your ROM is higher than minimum size, that is if your ROM having more size, then you can store or you can platform data it can store is also more. According to a mobile organization, the figure shows the storage locations. In the mobile, we are having an internal storage as well as SD card. SD card is an external storage device only. In internal storage, we are having both RAM and ROM. Coming to the external storage, that is SD card. Nowadays, we are getting SD cards for 128 gigabytes. Here I given the picture of only 64 gigabytes. In some cases, mostly Android or Windows operating system phones support an external micro SD card to further expand the storage availability by default. That is, if our internal memory is not sufficient for our usages, if you want to store more files, more videos, more audios, you need to insert an external storage to support only the internal storage. It can only store the data. Whereas RAM, that is random access memory, is essential for processing a data. You must differentiate what do you mean by storing and what do you mean by processing. Processing means actual execution of data happens. Storing means what? We are keeping the data in a safe place. That's all. So my dear children, I think you are all clear about what are the memory components or functional components which are used for storage. The one is internal memory, that is nothing but phone's memory. There we are having RAM and ROM, and external memory. There we can plug in a SD card, or nowadays we can connect with our pen drive with OTG to our mobile system. OTG is a wire which is used to connect our mobile system with our pen drive, that is flash drive, that is external storage. I think I had discussed what are the primary and secondary storage devices which are used in a mobile. Thank you.